Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss about patent examination paper 1 2000. First question is short notes. Question number 1, that is 1A, invention. Kindly see section 2(1)J for the definition of invention. Question number 1B, complete specification. Kindly see section 9 and section 10 for contents of specification. Question number 1C, term of patent. Term of patent is 20 years from the date of filing of application. Kindly see section 53. 1D, restoration of patent. Patent can be restored within 18 months from the date of its seized. Kindly see section 60. Medicine or drugs. It is changed, though we can see section 92A, pharmaceutical products. Question 1F, patent agent. Kindly see section 125, 126 and 127 for patent agent and its provision. Question number 1G, exclusive marketing rights. It changed. Kindly see section 53, term of patent, and section 63 for license, 69 sorry. And you can also search on Google about exclusive marketing rights. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. 2A, it was changed. Kindly see section 53 for term of patent. 2B, the maximum number of designation fee. For fee, kindly see the PCT fee table on WIPO site or any other relevant website or IP India site. 2C, for 2C, application for grant of product patent in drug can be filed under section. This is also get changed. Kindly see section 11. Question number 2D, the basic fee. Again see PCT fee table or the 5th schedule table. Question number 2E, kindly see the PCT fee or the 5th schedule fee structure. Question number 2F, India became bound by the Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Property on September 7, 1998. ARIPO stands for the African Regional Intellectual Property Organization. Question number 3 is descriptive type questions. 3A, divisional application. Kindly see section 16 for divisional application. 3B, what is official gazette? It's a public journal of government. Kindly search on Google for more information. 3C, can an applicant convert his complete specification to provisional specification? Answer is yes. Kindly see section 9 subclause 3. Question number 3D, what is the difference between license of the rights and compulsory license? Kindly see section 69 and section 84. Question number 3F, what is register of patent? Kindly see section 67 for register of patent. Question number 4 is true and false. 4A, PCT, the agreement is open only states parting to Paris Convention for the protection of industrial property. Answer is false. PCT and Paris Convention, these two are independent organization for intellectual property. Question number 4B, compulsory license on exclusive marketing rights can be granted after 3 years from the grant of the said right. Kindly see section 84. Compulsory license is given after the expiry of 3 years. Question number 4C, the nationals, natural and legal person of India, the basic and the designation fees are reduced by 75% payable to IB of the WIPO. Kindly see the PCT fee schedule or the 5th schedule fee on IP India website. Question number 4D. Government cannot sell the confiscated smuggled goods as it was infringing the right of the patentee when the said goods are protected by the patents in India. Answer is true. Kindly see section 1082. Question number 4E. The filing date of an application for patent and its complete specification processed by the Patent Office as designated office shall be the international filing date accorded under the PCT. Statement is true. Kindly see PCT filing on ipindia.nic.in. Question number 4F. The annual renewal fee in respect of a patent specification for 2 or more years cannot be paid in advance. Answer is true. Kindly see fee table. It cannot be paid. Though it is written here false, it is true. Question 4G. The register of patents shall be kept at the head office of the patent office and shall be open for public inspection during office hour free of charge. No, it is not free of charge. Kindly so statement is false. Kindly see section 11A subclause 6B. Question number 4H. Every person desiring to be registered as a patent agent shall make an application in Form 23 in duplicate, which shall be filed at the Patent Office, Calcutta or its branch offices at New Delhi, Chennai and Mumbai. Answer is false because the correct form is Form 22. Kindly see Rule 109. Question number 4I. The continuance of a person's name in the register of patent shall be subject to payment of the statement is true. Kindly see Rule 115. Question number 4J. The mere arrangement or rearrangement or duplication of a known device, each functioning independently of one another in a known way, are not an invention under the Patent Act 1970. Statement is true. Kindly see section 3, clause F. Question number 5A. For filing complete specification after an application for patent accompanied with provisional specification has been filed within 12 months. Kindly see section 9, clause 1. 5B. For filing opposition to grant of a patent after acceptance of the complete specification has been notified in the official gazette. So for opposition, it was open after publication. Kindly see section 25(1). Question number 5C. For filing a statement of inventorship, that is time period is within 1 month. Kindly see section 10 subclause 6 and rule 13 subclause 5, and the relevant form is form 5. Next question is 5D. For filing request for sealing after an opposition to the grant of the patent on an application has been dismissed. Kindly see form 30. Question number 5E. For filing an application for restoration of a lapsed patent, the time period is within 18 months from the time it gets lapsed. See section 60 and the relevant form is form 15. Next question is 5F. For putting a specification in order for acceptance after the issuance of the first examination report. Kindly see section 21. And the last question, question 5G. For filing request for continuance of a person's name in the register of a patent agent. Kindly see section 67, rule 19. And relevant form is form 16. That's the end of question paper 1 2000. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.